अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज हम आ गए हैं आर्केडियन कैफ़े फॉर द इफ्तार बुफे at Packages Mall.
We are the regular customer of Gulberg and Emporium Arcadian, but this time we thought to try the Packages Mall Arcadian.
Arcadian Cafe is one of the best in town in Lahore, as we all know, and it's always serving the best in their menu. But it was our first experience to try their iftar Packages buffet. Mall में एंटर होते ही आपको बहुत अच्छी वाइब आती है, साथ में नीचे डिफरेंट शॉप्स भी हैं और नीचे ही ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे आपको यहाँ पे इनका आर्केडियन कैफे भी नजर आएगा.
We were very excited because this was our first iftar in any restaurant this Ramadan. So we entered in and we saw so many people already there and they were also waiting for their iftar. Tables were already booked, so luckily we had a reservation, so there was no problem.
Iftar platter was already served on our tables. It had the dynamite prawns, barbecue wings, dates and cold sandwiches.
The iftar buffet had so much variety. They were offering continental and oriental, and plus there was a full dessert bar.
The charges are 4,500 plus tax per head. So after waiting a bit, there was the iftar time and then we started making our plates. You can see the salad bar here. It had Caesar salad, pasta salad and Thai crispy salad, some Russian salad as well. There were sausages of different kinds. So there were potato wedges, chicken stripes, pan seared piccata chicken and Korean wok vegetables. And this is my plate. You can see I have taken some of the veggies, some salad and some finger fish as well. My hot favorite in the whole menu was the fish with lemon pepper sauce. It was so delicious that I have taken that thing so many times and I started feeling full of that thing. The interesting part was that mashed potatoes and sauteed vegetables were also there, which was completing our main courses. I was a little bit disappointed with this spicy fettuccine pasta because I felt like the quality was not same when we order in a la carte. So if we talk about the Chinese section, so there were so many items, lots of variety. Garlic rice भी थे, vegetable rice भी थे. इसके अलावा gravies में काफ़ी options थे, beef भी था and chicken भी था, so fish भी थी. So like there were so many items, whatever you like. Soups के option भी थे, 2 different soups available थे. Service was very good. They were very attentive towards their guests and they were filling up the empty dishes timely. Now you can see the dessert bar. It was so beautiful. Not only the view but the taste as well. So delicious. हर चीज़ बहुत मज़े की थी. Different kind of pastries, puddings, cakes and whatnot. My top 2 picks were blueberry cheesecake and chocolate fudge cake. They were so delicious that I ate them again and again. One thing I forgot to mention, that initially we were served with the refreshing mint margarita drinks, and to be very honest, there was no compromise on the quality. You can see I ate all the dessert again and again and हमने इतना ज़्यादा खाया कि पेट फुल हो चुका था. आखिर में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री चाय भी सर्व की गई जो हमने बहुत मुश्किल से ख़त्म की. तो इस रमज़ान अगर आप आर्केडियन का इफ्तार बुफे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, so I definitely recommend, rating 8 out of 10. Thank you.